What rides are at Carthage Land? Carthage Land is North Africa's largest theme park. It's very cheap and a great day out, so here's all rides ranked worst to best. At number 17, we've got the Kids Drop Tower. Some of these attractions have names that I can't remember or pronounce. At number 16, we've got Le Grand Moloch. These teacups were pretty cool, nothing too spectacular though, well themed. At number 15, we've got Le Safari African. This little kiddie's jungle jeep sort of attraction was pretty cool and once again very well themed. At number 14, we've got the Little Kids Train. I can't remember what it was called, I'm afraid guys, but it had a really intense soundtrack. At number 13, even here in North Africa, we've got a carousel. Every theme park's got one, it's a real tradition guys, and I'm pretty sure by now you all know what it does. At number 12, we've got the flying elephants, but these ones are pretty special because if you look at their ears, you can see that they're African elephants in Africa. At number 11, we've got bumper boats. Not bumper cars for once, what is going on? They were pretty slow unfortunately though guys. At number 10, we've got the Aladdin Dark Ride. This one's more for the children guys, you got the genie lamps there, it's to shoot at all the targets, it was pretty cool. At number 9, we've got the Dragon. It goes forwards and backwards, they have loud music playing, it was pretty cool, very fast, but unfortunately the bar that holds you in squashes you in all the wrong places. At number 8, we've got the spinning ride. It wasn't actually called that guys, I can't remember what it was called, and it was actually pretty fun because it goes really fast. At number 7, we've got the pirate ship. Even in North Africa guys, as I say, we've got a pirate ship. This was a pretty good one, they had very loud music playing. You know the drill, run to the ends because they're so much better. At number 6, we've got the 5D cinema. I reckon it ranks around here guys, unfortunately we didn't actually get to do it. It is outside the theme park in the main plaza area. The attractions in the main plaza are all an upcharge of about £2.50, they're not included in the theme park ticket. At number 5, we've got the Barbarousse. This dark ride looked pretty cool. Unfortunately, it was broken and we didn't get to go on it, so I hope I've ranked it in the right place. At number 4, we've got the Log Flume. I can't remember its name, it was really long and I couldn't pronounce it. I was really surprised by this guys. The duration was very long, it was really well maintained and very well themed. The water was a bit dirty though. At number 3, we've got the Rapids. I was really surprised by these guys. They were actually very good, better than anything we have in the UK, and for a theme park I'd never heard of before, I was extremely surprised. At number 2, we've got Tanit. I don't even know what this was guys, I've never been on any disc spinner like it before. It was absolutely brilliant, it tilted, very unique, but the cycle was very long and it nearly made me throw up. At number 1, we've got King Kong. This family spinning coaster with a dark ride was pretty cool. It did have a few potholes, but it was a very unique attraction and we really enjoyed it. If you enjoyed the video guys, hitting that subscribe button really does help us out, and don't worry, it's not the end, there's more videos here.